Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. Now after you can see this is search button, so click it and then enter model number B760 space DS3H. Then select click on product, scroll down. This is motherboard B6760 and DS3H. Click on support. Then select your operating system, which is using Windows 10, 11, both operating system installations process same. So this is audio driver. Click to download. When you click on download, it will start downloading. I already downloaded this one 165 size. After download, just click open and double click to open. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting. So guys, it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Chipset. So you can see this is Intel serial driver and click to download and just open it. And double click to open, then click on yes. So it is done, and close it. Then Intel ENF installations, just click download, just open it and double clicking. And this is close automatic, means is installed. LAN driver. So Realtek LAN driver, click to download, click to open, and double click to yes. Then click on yes. So this is installing the LAN driver. So it is closed automatically, means it is installed. And Vijay, this is driver, and click to download. So it is just open it, it is downloaded. Then just double click, and after that required to click on yes, and then next to installed. Then restart, guys.